What is AUKOM? Well, today I've travelled to ZEISS to find out more. Now, who better to learn from than the personnel from ZEISS? Now, Matt, what is AUKOM?
AUKOM is a global training standard for industry.
Now, how will it benefit the people that are attending the courses and also the businesses?
So we're trying to teach people to achieve global, reliable, repeatable results.
Now, in regards to the personnel that are attending the course, is it only for ZEISS users?
No, not at all. It's completely machine independent. So essentially you can use any machine and you can benefit from AUKOM.
So it's all about education?
It is all about teaching industry more about measurement.
We are now in the training room. And did you know that ZEISS are the only company in the UK to offer an AUKOM course? Now, Jeremy, it's all about education and measuring techniques, but what specifically do you teach?
We teach the attendees effectively all the information they need to know with regards to the background, why they're doing things. It's important to know about creating standardisation within the marketplace as well, and by having an effective solution to the system really that's consistent across the world.
Is it only for CMM users, for metrology?
Primarily CMM forms the core of it, but we can also develop it around management workshops, and also we can have additional training for CAD engineers as well, GD&T.
And ultimately, what will people get from this course?
Ultimately, they're going to finish the week and they're going to take away an accredited award system that's internationally recognised.